Right.
and the examination.
Okay.
Okay,
So taking
so
two
we
minutes,
are,
okay, then we can start.
yes, we are waiting for our HOD sir to join
HOD
us.
sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm there. I'm there.
Okay, so our HOD sir has already joined. So sir, can we start the valedictory session?
Yes, I think we can start and then they can go for the test.
Yes, Alok sir.
Yes, sir. We can start, sir.
Okay, so I think we should start with the very brief introduction and the happenings of the this 6 day journey of this workshop, as this is the fifth edition of this series. So in this respect, I, the joint coordinator, Dr. Joyantopal, like to invite the coordinator, Dr. Alok Roy, to brief the outcome of the program.
So I am feeling very happy to share this information to all the audience that this time, without any advertisement, means we have not done any printing of banner. We have only emailed our old participants. We have given link to Tripura University website, and only there is a Facebook department page where we have given the details of the workshop. So we have seen that 330 participants has registered for the workshop, and 167, if I am not wrong, the group that the WhatsApp group we have, there is almost 167 participants has registered for the WhatsApp group, and daily on an average 110-20 participants are attending online. We have our department MCA first year, MCA second year, MTech first year, MTech second year, and PhD scholars who are attending the workshop in offline mode. So this workshop we have done in hybrid mode, online and offline. I feel that with the help of all organizing member and the help of my dear students who are attending offline and the participants who are attending online, with all the cooperations of them, I'm feeling that this is a great success. The 100 average number, 110 of average number is not bad. This workshop is organized every year in the month of November. Due to some official reason, that is delayed to December till 3. So this fifth series of the workshop, we got 10 lectures from 10 eminent speakers. We have designed in such a way that a fresher, a beginner, will be able to start their research by attending this workshop. We have given some extra lectures on forensic tool and cybersecurity, because nowadays the fraud of their laptop and mobile phones or anything, their accounts are getting hacked. So we have included 2 lectures on forensic tool and cybersecurity. We have included how to start their research paper, how to read paper, how to do systematic review, that is taken care of by Shubir Kumar Sensor, and then how to use tools like Python, Weka, MATLAB, and for tools like Weka for data processing, MATLAB for different materialistic technique, and 1 lecture on regression, and 1 lecture from for machine learning using Python. All these are, and last is Sigma plot to draw graph from result. All these are for how to write your research paper. Before that, how to analyze your data, how to collect data, how to process data. So at the end today, I have concluded with how to write your research in the form of paper and how to prepare your thesis. So I feel that this is a complete package for you. This time we have not taken any registration fee from the participant. So please use this information in your research career, shine like anything, and best wishes for the next days to you. So over to Jayanta sir.
Thank you, sir, for briefing up the workshop as well as the outcome of the 6 day journey. Now, I'd like to request our HOD, Head Department of Information Technology, Professor Shonivar Mujumdar, to address the gathering. Sir.
So, good afternoon to all. You have been waiting for the test. I hope once this is over, you can go through and we'll be taking care of this. The attendance thing has been shared, I guess, by Dr. Alok Roy. So, this program, as Dr. Roy said, we started in 18 by both Dr. Roy and Dr. Pal. They were the coordinators from the conception. From 18 and 19 series were offline. Then due to the COVID 20 and 21, we had it online, and this time we had it in a hybrid mode. Previously, we had to purchase for 250 uh, uh, participants. We had to purchase the Google Meet, but this time, as we thanks to the new uh, uh, the board, smart boards that we have in our classes. So all Tripura University participants, we had asked them to join in from our classrooms by a single login, and our capacity now is in the Google Meet is 150. Uh, so the offline online together is crossing 100. Also is not a issue. Even 150 online and along with the hybrid mode, it's very useful. So that's why. We have a lot of participants here, and once you have gained this time is the sigma plot is the new edition, cybersecurity is a new edition, and the regular ones which are required for the day to day. Every year we normally plan for our new batch of PhD scholars who can use latex, who can use MATLAB or Python or OECA or any other tools. SPSS, previously we had addressed SPSS, this time we have addressed R. I think Shubhi sir has addressed R also. So these tools we are trying to cover up. So in the feedback I would request you to include if there are some any popular tools, but we'll request for popular tools so that maybe in the next edition we can add a few speakers who uh, give overview based on some tools which we have not yet touched in the last four and this edition, so we can improve it better. But the thing is that here the speakers are also not getting any honorarium, because here it is everything is free. We are promoting free education. Neither we are charging any registration fees, nor we are say we are able to pay any honorarium to our speakers. Some of them are eminent speakers or industry persons whom we are not paying anything, because we want to promote free education and education for all. So, and moreover, after this, the sessions have been put up in our YouTube channel, and you can say later on also you can say go for them. So with this, I would like to invite the participants who are here to give some short feedbacks, so that we can't make it, say you can give some verbal feedbacks. Anyway, you will be giving the online feedbacks. If you have some things to say to us as committee members, or in way in which we can improve the program better. So kindly feel free to suggest us. I think Jayanta sir and Alok sir, we can take a few feedbacks online,
Yes, sir.
one or two.
It would be better and very helpful for us if the participants give us with some new idea to improve the next editions. Yeah, anyone from the participants, please provide you suggestions, valuable suggestions. See, the feedback form, I think it has been shared in the chat box, but we are not talking about this filling up of this feedback form. Rather, we are talking about this live feedback. Anything you have taken away from this workshop, or maybe something you expected but you have not found at that part? Please share with us.
because we can improve based on your suggestions.
Saroj Kumar, if you can suggest something, please.
Hello, sir.
Anyone from the participant? Yes, yes, please.
Hello, all organizers. I would like to offer my sincere gratitude to all the organizers and the faculty members who devoted their precious time in giving this just means very valuable and diverse series of lectures and workshops. So I just want to say there's no just because you didn't charge any fees for this, so it's means very means possible for the remote participants to get involved in this. Otherwise means the other workshops maybe because of they are also online, but because of fees constraint, many participants are not able to join and get means devoid of the information that they need for their research and educational purposes. Basically, I am a research scholar, so the techniques and tools that is being taught in this workshop, it's very means helpful, and I'm sure I would use some of them in my research work. And all thanks to the organizers and conveners of this program. So I'm very happy for that. Thank you, and please continue this series of workshops, adding more things related to some means uh, some aspects of bioinformatics as well, if possible. So it's my suggestion because I'm from the life science background, so it's beneficial for me. So thank you all.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So in the next
Thank.
year, same in November 2023, we'll keep in mind that one lecture can be included as you have just expressed. Thank you, Zia.
Any other participant, if you have any suggestion, please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Thank you for to all the organizers and Tripura University. I am Panthar Dev Burma, a research scholar. Basically, I'm from horticulture background, so I have been working with R and the Origin Pro, but Sigma plot it was a bit easier, though it's not that highly classified software, but it's a very easy. We can I was struggling with some of my data analysis, but it helped me a lot, and in many other methodologies and the latex programs which Alex sir have taught today, it's very informative and it's like very wonderful. And like my friend he said, we will look forward with some bioinformatics and genomics and proteomics, especially in this. If in the future, if you can conduct
Yeah, if
such
you can
program.
suggest some of the tools that you will be expecting in the next edition, please suggest any name of the tool that you want to include.
So we will be looking for the gene alignment like the NCBI, PubMed. So
Okay, okay, note it down. Thank you.
thank you.
Sir,
Are
I'd
you
like
a
to
research scholar of this Tripura University?
No, sir, I'm from Mizoram University.
Okay, okay. Because had you been from Tripura University, Sigma plot was actually a licensed version, so that's why I asked. Okay, okay. But the other licenses are also available. I think your library can take for the whole university. So we have taken for the whole university. So anybody who is having the university ID and access to our library can use the Sigma plot. So that's why I asked.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes. Good afternoon, sir. Dr. Alakroy. This is Gotham. I'm from United States, and I'm so very happy to express my thoughts that I'm so engaged with this, 5 days for workshop daily attending. And I'm a research scholar in a social science, especially from the geriatric social work. And I'm from the medical background. So I have a one suggestion that if you can try to, like a launch one short-term courses for especially for the the social sciences research scholar for the software they need to use for the data collection SPSS. So this would be very beneficial for those who are currently, and I'm engaged with the Mizoram University, and currently I'm in India now. So this year I'm going to be finished with my PhD and returning to. I'm a actually my by profession I'm a licensed geriatric healthcare from the Ministry of Public Health in South America. Okay, so very pleased, and I'm so have a good congratulations for all of you and your team and you have a really genius informative sessions and extraordinary you provided. If you come in United States in USA, if you are attending one session, it could cost like a 350 US dollar, but you provided like this is very uh, we need to salute for the Tripura University and the eminent team and the speakers and organizers, conveners. It is the biggest decision that they have decided to provide, free of cost. This would be, more very prestigious thing for us. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable words. First of all, I'd like to specially thank you that you have attended all the sessions, and pleased to know that you are here in Northeast. But I'd like to invite you to visit once in our campus in Tripura University, if you have
Yes,
some
for
time.
sure. So
Uh,
right now, yes. So at this moment, I am in my, I'm living with my family. My wife, she is a doctor here in Jamnagar in Gujarat, and I think after in the month of February, I'm gonna be in Mizoram, so I will visit Tripura, and because I'm finishing my PhD in March, so I will stay 1 month. At that time, I'll try to visit Tripura and see it, and then I'm returning to
okay, it
USA.
would be
Thank
very
you very
nice
much,
for
sir.
us. Okay, and
Thank you very much, sir.
I'd like to mention that when we started in 2018, it was in offline mode. Even 2019 was in offline mode. On that two occasions, we have made only 100 or 200 rupees per participants for this week long. But on that we have charged for providing the two times snacks as well as the lunch, and not for the other things. And this SPSS, R programming, everything were included in our previous editions. These editions, due to inclusion of some more tools, maybe and lack in the expert of he was busy in some other engagement, so we could not have him. But in our previous sessions we had the session for SPSS also. So irrespective of the department and discipline, this workshop is actually aimed for providing the maximum facilities in terms of research and tools. Uh, being it engineering, being a social science, medical science, being in management or science or arts. So thank you for participating this workshop.
So I want to add that thank you for joining Gautamji. So I'll share the videos of SPSS and art that we have covered in last ETTR 2021 and 2020. So you can check those videos. You will get some information. I'll share now also.
Sir,
And
yes,
we'll
okay.
remember your name.
Okay, sir.
You come to our place and you are always welcome. Whenever
Yes,
you get time,
शुक्रिया सर.
with us.
यस शुक्रिया सर, क्योंकि इसमें सर क्या है, मेरा तो मैंने तो इंडिया में मैं स्कोपस में भी और एनसीबीआई और पबमेड में मेरा वर्क रहता है, तो मैं तो यहाँ इंडिया में सभी स्कॉलर को इंसिस्ट करता हूँ कि यहाँ भी आपको कॉन्फ्रेंस मिलती है, उसकी कोई प्राइस नहीं, समझो कि 300 रुपीज 400, लेकिन आप अगर अमेरिका आओगे तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं कोई भी कॉन्फ्रेंस अटेंड करना, क्योंकि ये कॉन्फ्रेंस $1,500 की रहती है। तो आप यहाँ जो मैक्सिमम मैंने देखा है 1000 या 850 इंडियन रुपीस में कॉन्फ्रेंस अटेंड हो सकता है, और इतनी इंफॉर्मेशन वहां नहीं मिलती सर। तो ये मैंने प्रैक्टिकली भी देखा है सर, इतने साल से मैं रह रहा हूँ। तो यहाँ जो मिलता है वो वेरी थैंकफुल जो है कि आप लोग यहाँ इतने जीनियस इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करते हो, प्रैक्टिकली, रिटर्न, ओरल। तो ये हमारे लिए गर्व की बात है सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच। आई विल कम एंड आई विल मीट यू सर।
So I have shared the links in the chat also.
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah, okay, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, anything from any other participants, please?
Mr. Gautam, the thing is that earlier we could have, when we had offline, we had 2 halves and we could have around 4 lectures per day. But now what has happened is that due to this online and with our previous experience with online was that people were getting bored with 4 lectures. So that's why we kept 2 only in the sessions. Otherwise, earlier when we had offline sessions, we had people we were taking up SPSS, and for we had science background people also taking up from forestry. Our professor Shabdasati Dasgupta had taken so on from the science side, and from again from arts side, arts and humanities side also SPSS was taken up, so that actually both the domains can have the access to that, and how they are used in different problem domains. The same SPSS can be used, that we had. But now the problem is that in online also, if you give more than 2 lectures, everybody will be bored. Moreover, we are having our regular classes now, and our students, you can see they are in the offline mode. They'll also be bored. They'll be saying that sir log sirf TV chala ke nikal jate hain, so that is not good. So that's why we had only 1/2 this time, and last time also, last to last time we had the first online, we had 4 lectures, but because everybody was in lockdown and we had in uh, this 20 series, we had 2 sessions in the morning, 2 sessions in the afternoon, but it was very time taking. More people who wanted to, because data issues also were there, so those issues were there. So now we are sticking to only 2 sessions in the half, but we are keeping the videos. The advantage is that we are keeping the videos. Both Dr. Roy and Dr. Pal have put up all the videos. If you can access the previous videos, if you like them, you can have see them in our channel.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah,
Thank
I'll
you,
see
thank
it,
you.
sir. Thank you very
Anybody
much.
else want to say something?
Okay, so if no one has anything to share with us, I think we should move ahead.
Sir, excuse me. So I just want to
Yes,
say
yes,
one thing.
please.
So, have you sir conducted a workshop on database preparation previously, or
Database
yes?
database preparation
Not yet.
means
So actually, I want to learn. I have some prepared some database. So means on a rough file. So I just want to know how to make this means available on the online. So I want to know the means the process how we can make a online database. So if you
Yeah,
are
for
yeah.
IEEE data port is there for we from engineering side. IEEE data port you can directly put them. Other than that, now Elsevier also supporting, and Kaggle is there for free. If you have, yeah, but you have to first publish the way in which you have taken the data, whether it is a standard format or not, in which others can use. So those things you can say browse Kaggle. And IEEE data port is for from bio, I don't know, but from our side it is there. Other than that, your this NCBI is also there. You can have a look, and there are means first you write down in how you have prepared the data and how you are uploading them. What are the format? What are the details? You can first initially see some files, and then you can go ahead with it. Means what are there? You can start with Kaggle, so that will be easy. In Kaggle, all forms of data are there.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your insights, sir. With your permission, if sir, I need some guidance further, so can I contact you or anyone from the faculty for the help
You are from
regarding that?
Tripura University?
You are maybe Alakrai, sir, for that.
No. You are from Tripura University or not?
No, sir. I'm not from the
Okay,
Tripura
okay. No, you
University.
can contact any of us. Our IDs are there. Why I was asking from Tripura University, then you could come physically to the department. So that's why.
No, sir. I just want to means take help remotely from you.
Yeah, sure. You can contact us. Our email IDs are already there in our department website as well as the university website. I think, we are in the group. So in that also you can directly contact us.
Yeah, yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so literally we are at the end of the program. So on this occasion, I'd like to take this privilege to express the vote of thanks to everyone directly or indirectly connected to this program. So first and foremost, I'd like to thank the uh, authority of Tripura University, who has always supported us, maybe financially and with some other official works, being it in offline mode or online mode. The thanks goes to Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Ganga Prasad Prasai, Registrar, Tripura University, Dean Faculty of Sciences, Dean Faculty of Arts, and Dean Student Welfare. Uh, Next, the organizing team, that is different faculty members from the Fraternity of Engineering Department of Tripura University. I'd like to thank all of them for their for the extension of their coordination to make this workshop a grand success. Without the leading support from the HOD of Information Technology, as well as the one-man army, the coordinator, Dr. Alok Roy, without whom the workshop, the conception of workshop was not there, and the implementation, that too in this fifth edition, would not be a success one. So thank to both of you. I'd like to thank the non-teaching staff who has worked in background. I mean, they are not in the front end, but they constantly helped us in any aspect, being it out of the time also, that is overtime also, they have helped us. So thanks to all the non-teaching staffs of the department as well as the students. So they also helped us in every aspect. So the students of the Department of Information Technology, I'd like to thank them, and especially the participants. A huge number of participation we have observed since 2000, since its inception, and we are very much happy that we could accommodate all of them who are interested uh, for learning, especially the scholars. At the end, I'd like to thank each and every one who are directly or indirectly connected with us. So thank you, everyone. So now, with the prior permission from our HOD sir, we would like to conclude the program. Sir, please.
Thank you, Dr. Jayantapal, and thank you for your effort. Along with Dr. Roy, you have been handling the workshop series since its start. So thank you. We can conclude, I guess, and others can go ahead with the test and feedback.
Yes. So the link is already been shared by Alok sir. So I'd like to hand over to Alok sir, please.
So participants, there are 40 questions that we have received from all the speakers. So 40 question, there is 40 minutes plus some feedback question. So we will open this now, and it will be 1 hour for you to submit 40 question plus feedback, or for some any technical problem. So please take it like 1 hour. Okay. And I am sharing this link in the chat box and also in the WhatsApp group. So thank you very much for attending this workshop. We'll see you in the next series. Have a good day. Take care. Bye. For any problem, you can continue in chatting in WhatsApp group. One more information is that after today's test, we will check the attendance and test, and then we will issue certificate. For that, you have to wait 1 week. We are less in manpower, so by today's 3, by 12 December, you will receive certificate. Okay, thank you. We'll email you certificates. Thank you very much.